Today I'm going to replace the tail light on 2014 Mercedes GLK 350. That's my sister's car, and then as you see, damaged the tail light on the passenger side, even damaged that light on the bumper. It's actually very easy to change. So there are 3 bolts in the back of the panel. You take this panel off. This panel, you take it off. Right here, very easy. Goes like this, and then you turn this on here, and then you take it out. Behind that, I already take the 2 bolts out. There is 3 8mm nuts. You take it out, 1 in here, 1 in there, and then 1 in corner here that I am taking it off right now. And then there's also 1 connector goes to the bottom of the tail light, which is right there. So you push it on both sides like this, and then you pull this out. After you take all these 3 nuts, and then it's easy to take it out. So you just push it from inside. And already out. This was so easy. New one from eBay for about $120, I guess. And then it looks very good and very nice. So I'm gonna put it in. Putting in the tail light is very easy. That's a grommet right here. You gotta go underneath this piece right here, and then locked in place, and then push it. All 3 bolts goes in, and then you are set. With one hand, it's a little harder to do, but it's really doing it. After tying up these 3 nuts, 1 is there, 1 is here, and then 1 is there, and then you just plug it in the plug, and then that's it. You're set. Tried it, and it works perfect. And then put this one here back in, and then lock it. You are set. So now it's time for changing this reflector light on the bumper on the left side. So I got a new one. This is the new one, and there was no screw behind it. It's only the clips. You just have to go with your hand behind us and then push these clips, and then the light comes out. Very easy. And then put it in there should be very easy to do. So what you do, you put this side in first, and then just push it in. That's it. It's done. Very easy.